Which enzyme is responsible for the oxidative phase of the pentose phosphate pathway and plays a crucial role in protecting red blood cells from oxidative damage? It's C. Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Which enzyme is the rate-limiting step in cholesterol synthesis and is the target of statin medications? The answer is A. FMGE reductase. Which enzyme is deficient in an X-linked disorder that increases susceptibility to hemolytic anemia due to oxidative stress? Correct answer is A. Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Which enzyme serves as the rate-limiting step in gluconeogenesis and is inhibited by AMP? Correct answer is C. Fructose 1,6-biphosphatase. Which enzyme is the rate-limiting step in the urea cycle and requires N-acetylglutamate as an activator? Correct answer is C. Carbamyl phosphate synthetase 1. Which enzyme serves as the rate-limiting step in the urea cycle and requires N-acetylglutamate as an essential activator? Correct answer is B. Carbamyl phosphate synthetase 1. Which enzyme is the rate-limiting step of heme synthesis and requires vitamin B6 as a cofactor? It's C. Delta-aminolevulinic acid synthase. Which enzyme catalyzes the first committed step in fatty acid synthesis and requires biotin as a cofactor? It's A. Acetyl-CoA carboxylase. Which enzyme is the rate-limiting step of heme synthesis and requires vitamin B6 as a cofactor? It's C. Aminolevulinate synthase. Which enzyme catalyzes the conversion of fructose 1,6-biphosphate to fructose 6-phosphate, serving as a key regulator in gluconeogenesis? It's D. Fructose 1,6-biphosphatase. A 5-year-old child presents with developmental delay, downward lens dislocation, and a history of thrombotic events. Urine analysis reveals elevated homocysteine levels, and genetic testing confirms cystathionine beta synthase deficiency. What is the primary treatment to lower homocysteine levels and prevent complications? It's C. Vitamin B6 supplementation. A 2-week-old infant presents with poor feeding, vomiting, lethargy, and a distinctive maple syrup-like odor in the urine. Laboratory results indicate elevated levels of branched-chain amino acids in the blood. What is the most appropriate immediate intervention to prevent further neurological damage? Correct answer is C. Restrict BCAA intake. What is the significance of the isocitrate to alpha-ketoglutarate conversion in the Krebs cycle? It's C. Produces NADH and releases CO2. A 25-year-old male presents with recurrent kidney stones and hematuria. Urinalysis reveals hexagonal cysteine crystals and excessive cysteine excretion, and genetic testing confirms cystinuria. What is the primary treatment to prevent further stone formation? It's C. Potassium citrate. A 24-year-old male of Mediterranean descent presents to the emergency department with jaundice, dark-colored urine, and fatigue after consuming fava beans. Laboratory results reveal anemia with elevated reticulocyte count and the presence of AIIMS bodies on a peripheral blood smear. Which enzyme deficiency is most likely cause of this presentation? Correct answer is C. G6PD. A 3-month-old infant presents with developmental delay and a musty body odor. Newborn screening revealed elevated phenylalanine levels, and genetic testing confirmed a PAH gene mutation. What is the primary treatment to manage this disorder and prevent neurological damage? Correct answer is C. Dietary restriction of phenylalanine. Which unique feature of the reaction converting succinyl-CoA to succinate distinguishes it within the Krebs cycle? Correct answer is B. Produces GTP. The pentose phosphate pathway, or PPP, plays a vital role in cellular metabolism and operates parallel to glycolysis. In addition to generating ribose 5-phosphate for nucleotide synthesis, which essential molecule does the pathway produce to combat oxidative stress and support anabolic reactions? Correct answer is B. NADPH. Which high-energy molecule is produced during the conversion of malate to oxaloacetate in the Krebs cycle? Correct answer is B. NADH. Which of the following is produced when isocitrate is converted to alpha-ketoglutarate in the Krebs cycle? And the answer is B. NADH. Which molecule is reduced to NADH when malate is converted to oxaloacetate in the Krebs cycle? Correct answer is B. NAD+. Which high-energy molecule is produced when succinate is oxidized to fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase in the Krebs cycle? Correct answer is B. FADH2. In the Krebs cycle, which characteristic of the reaction catalyzed by citrate synthase makes it a key regulatory step? Correct answer is A. It is irreversible. Beta oxidation is a crucial metabolic pathway for energy production, especially during periods of fasting and prolonged exercise. What are the primary products generated from the breakdown of fatty acids that subsequently enter the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain to produce ATP? Correct answer is A. Acetyl-CoA, NADH, and FADH2.